To talk about the Papagari tribe, a tribe rich in culture and traditions in the highlands of Sumatra. The Papagari tribe is known for its hospitality, resilience, and indomitable spirit. The Papagari tribe has a long history and honorable ancestors. They have inhabited this land for centuries and have developed unique and complex culture. Papagari culture is rich in music, dance, art, and handicrafts. One of the characteristics of the Papagari tribe is their strong kinship system. The Papagari people are very respectful of their ancestors and uphold family values. They always